Okay, now match font means what? This is the total pattern. If you want to find a word, dollar symbol at the ending and just ending word before star. Okay, even though if I remove this dot operator also, okay, dot operator, you will not know match font. Okay, so if I put some space here, no match font. Okay, you need to give this dot operator, but space no need, no required. You will get the match font. Okay, this is what means. If you want to, in a text given string, you want to find the starting word and ending word. This is the end word, this is the starting word, so this is the pattern. Okay, you need to start with caret symbol on dot star. Okay, dot star, land, finally this dollar symbol. Okay, next second that is what your to find middle character. Next, one more pattern we will design, that is what, let us one more pattern we will use here, find all method. Okay, find all method. Method means what? I told you that method or function, they will come with the suffix with the brackets, no need to write method. Okay, here this is we are discussing, it is simply a method, don't call it a, normally in Python def keyword use it to define a function, use it to define a function, but I am accessing with the dot operator, so that is part of a module, RE module. Okay, so we can say it as a method. Okay, now find all method will be used, find all method will be used to get a list, find all method to get a list search. Okay, find all method to get a list search. So this is the comment. So let us design a pattern. This is what, one more pattern we will design, that is take it as a pattern 2, whatever. Simply why I am using pattern, okay. Now find all method use it to get a list of search. So pattern, one more pattern, pattern name is equal variable pattern 2 is equal to what, pattern. So always pattern must be in as a string, we need to put as a string. Okay, but before that we need to use that method of which this module. Okay, RE module. So we need to write what, RE dot find all. See, whenever you keep the dot operator, you will get all the methods. Okay, all the methods. This is the find all method. You click on this find all. So method, I told you that it must be suffixed with the brackets, bracket. Then here we need to pass the string. String what? String support. If I want to see all the I character, so that I character will be displayed as a list. How many I characters are here? 1, 2 I characters are here. So if I pass capital I here, okay, then I need to say where txt. Txt is what? The txt is a variable that is holding this string type of data, this string type of text based data. Okay, now then what happened? What is this? You need to remove this one. Okay, now it is going. Okay, now print take a print of what? Print pattern 2 pattern. Now you run this code. How many I? We are getting 1 2 3 4 5. These 5 I's are here. How? Where is this 5 I? 1 on 26 July Cargill. 1 I is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, 4 is here, 5. 5 I's. Really it is a list. So clearly it is giving a list. As I told you that find all method used to get a list of search, list of characters, a list of words, list of characters, in a search, okay. So in a search it looks for list of character, and that will be given as a list. So that is one more search we have designed here, one more pattern. So next is what? So one more pattern, you design that pattern. One more pattern, you say simple pattern, what pattern, how many? This is pattern 3. Okay, pattern 3 is equal by this same. I am using here the method of not find all. I am going to use one more method by simply dot search pattern. See this search method. Okay, same method we have used here. Here find all method, it will give a list of search. Here same again search method I am using. By that search method, so pattern is like what? Forward slash backslash s, where in txt. Now print pattern 3. What do you mean of this? Let us check that. (14, 15) area match found for backslash s means white space character. Where is that white space? This is used, this search pattern is used for white space character. White space character found in 14th, where you come down, you count from here. Okay, this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Okay, from 14 white space is character is there. Okay, 14 and 15, 2 white space. From 14 to 15 white space character is there. So for this for backslash s means to find a, you comment here to find, to search for white space, to search for white space. So this pattern used for white space. Next is what? It will give the white space character from here to here, but by this start method, okay, by that we can get where is the white space, at which index the white space is there, How to do that? Simply you need to put this dot operator for this variable, and you will get the list of the methods. From that you can choose that start method. Okay.